So let's get started with the VBA. So in order to first do the VBA, then we have to access to the editing environment. It's called the VB Visual Basic Editor. How to do it? Go File, Option, Customize Ribbon, and you should have a developer ribbon. Once you have that in the ribbon, you click Visual Basic or alternate F11, then to open it. So let's see how we do it in Excel. So if you have developer ribbon here, then you click the Visual Basic, then you're done. Or you can click the shortcut alternate F11. This does not appear. So go to File, Option, Customize Ribbon, and you make sure the developer tab is clicked. Once you click it, you should be able to see the ribbon here. And either you click this one, come out with this Visual Basic Editor, or you click alternate F11. That's how you start to work on the Visual Basic Editor and start to type the code. But that's how you open the